Hi everyone, so I'm basically continuing the videos with part 2 because I've received a couple topics over a couple days. So today I'm getting to them one by one, and please send them my way again. Only a couple students have been sending me their topics. Please, if you need help, please send them, and I know that a couple of you haven't been doing your topics, so that kind of shows me that you need help or you're just not logging in and doing your topics, so please get to that. So as far as this question goes, we're basically computing unit prices to find the better buy. Comparing basically to see which store gives us more product for our money, which one is cheaper per its pound or kilogram in this case. So let's read our question. Kala paid $12.67 for a 6.08 kilogram bag of dog food. A few weeks later, wow, the dog would have died. She paid $12.95 for a 6.35 kilogram bag at a different store. Find the unit price for each bag. Then state which bag is the better buy based on the unit price. Round your answers to the nearest cent. So, in these types of questions, we first have to find per kilogram how much do we have to pay to the store, how much dollars. So, we're going to compare this one and then this store, these two stores. And the way we do that is, first we're going to take our dollar amount, which is the amount that we paid to the store for a 6.08 kilogram bag of food. Now, if they said 6 kilogram for a 6 kilograms bag of dog food, this store wanted you to pay $15, and then this one said for a 6 kilogram bag of dog food, this store wanted you to pay $20. Then you would just be able to compare and contrast and just be like, oh yeah, well, of course, this one's the better buy because it's just $15 and this one's $20 per 6 kilogram. But in here, they're trying to make it a little bit more tricky by giving you different kilograms and different prices. But don't worry, we've got our ways to solve these problems. It's really easy. And I'm about to show you how to solve for each kilogram, and then we can compare. First, let's look at this one. $12.67 for a 6.08 kilograms bag of dog food. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to divide 12.67, we're going to divide that by 6.08 kilograms of dog food. Let's put dollar signs so you know what we're doing. Alright, so our answer would be 2.0838 blah blah blah. I'm just gonna move that to the nearest cent, which means the hundredths place. So what will that be? It will be $2.08 per kilogram. And we already have that, so I'm not going to write that. So let's check the other one out first before we compare. A few weeks later, she paid $12.95 per 6.35 kilograms of dog food. So we're going to do 6.35 kilograms. And that's going to give us, oh, we forgot our decimal point. That is very important. Don't do the mistake I did. Okay, so this is going to equal 2.0393 blah blah blah, and then we're gonna round that to the nearest cent again. And I know that a couple of you have been struggling with rounding, so let me just go over that really quick with you. Since this is going to be rounded to the hundredths place, so we're gonna have 2 of these right here, 2 digits after the decimal point. And since we have a number greater than or equal to 5 here, we're going to add 1 number to 3. So it's going to be 2.04 dollars per kilogram. Now we can compare. Do you see that there is a small difference, but still you're still paying a little bit more in the first one? So you tell me, which one is the better buy? If you said the second one, you're right. You have to pay a little bit less. So you're going to say the better buy is the 6.35 kilograms of dog food bag. And in some cases, which won't always be the case, but in some cases, they will both be equal. So it doesn't really matter which store you go to buy your dog food. And that concludes it. So I hope you understand. Just email me if you have questions. Have a good day. Bye.